Malia needs to buy 827 potatoes. If each bag contains 3 potatoes, how many bags should she buy? All right, so she's going to buy a lot of potatoes. Each bag contains 3. She needs to divide 827 divided by 3 to see how many bags she gets. Now, when she does that, you're going to set up the division problem like this. 827, the bigger number goes inside the house, and 3 goes on the outside of the house. Now, in order to find out how many times 3 goes into 827, we're going to go 1 digit at a time. So 3 goes into 8 twice, because 2 times 3 is 6, which is a little bit less than 8. Now we subtract these numbers, and 8 minus 6 is going to be 2. So let's write out 2. Drop down 2. And now you have to find out how many times 3 goes into 22, the Taylor Swift special. So 3 goes into 22 7 times. 7 times 3 is 21, which is a little bit less than 22. So 22 minus 21 is going to be 1. So I'm going to write that out. Now we drop down 7. 3 goes into 17 5 times. 5 times 3 is 15. Subtract, you'll get 2. And since there's no more numbers to drop down, that means I have a remainder of 2. Now this is a word problem. And in this word problem, Malia buys a lot of potatoes and each bag holds 3 of them. So if you were to incorrectly answer 275, what's going to happen is you're going to have 2 potatoes left over without a bag. So this is a trick question. The answer to this one is 276 bags. Because, again, if she were to use 275 bags, that means she has this many bags with 2 potatoes lingering around without a bag. So you need to bump that up to 1 more to make sure you have enough bags to cover all the potatoes. Fun stuff.